All right, good evening, everybody. It's Saturday, March 25th in the evening here, and earlier today I had my um, how to save in gold and silver and share and earn all at the same time open house event. Okay, this is something for creating peace of mind for you and your family and your future. And this is something that during the presentation I wanted to share with everybody how to access and utilize your Sound Money wallet to see what it would should show you what it would look like. And I had a little bit of login issues there, so I wanted to go ahead and share this now and show you exactly how to do it. Let's see here. And so what you're going to have to do is once this is providing you have a membership with 7K, and I will also include a link for that below the video here. So if you want to look into it further and get more information about them, you can either click on that link and check them out, or you can email me direct at rick@silverandgoldsolutions.org, and I can arrange to jump on a Zoom call or maybe a Skype call or something like that if you need more direct information. So in this case here, I'm going to go ahead and share the screen. This is when you go to log into your Sound Money wallet. It's going to have a two-step verification thing. So in this case here, I'm going to put the code in for Google Authenticator. And in this case here, see, and that's something, and it does change. So it's like this, like the number that I put in here, it's going to be different like the next time I go in. So that this is part of their security checks to make sure that you're just who you are. So in this case here, right now I'm showing an account balance of $115.61. So I have $79.34 in silver. I have $36.27 in gold. Like in this case here, what I was explaining in the video is that you can incrementally save in silver and gold. You don't have to necessarily buy a full 1 ounce coin, or whether it's gold or silver. You can do it incrementally if you're unable to purchase one, a full ounce coin. In this case here, they also do offer 100 ounce silver bars or 1 ounce gold bars. So like in this case here, here's the buy rate for an ounce of gold, okay, through 7K. And in this case here, I don't want to necessarily buy, a full ounce bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this for example purposes, just to show you that you can do it incrementally, even if it's only a little bit. So my buying power is $11.70, $11.77. So in this case here, I could use that whole amount, and I'm just going to use like $5 as an example, just to show you that you can do that. But in this case here, what you can also do with the Sound Money wallet is, if I wanted to convert silver into gold and then convert this all into gold, I could do that. Or if I wanted to convert the $36.27 I have in gold, I wanted to convert that to silver, I could do that. And conversely, you could actually take either one and convert it into cash and then send it to your bank account as another option too. So there's a lot of different options with the Sound Money wallet. But what's also nice too is if you have a friend or a family member or somebody that's part of 7K and they have their Sound Money wallet set up, you could actually even send them gold or silver or cash directly from your account to theirs if you would want to help out, like your son or daughter or grandkids or something like that, or at college. I'm just using that as an example. But that's the versatility of the Sound Money wallet, which is really cool. So in this case here, what I'm going to do is put this bar on. Whoops, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just do $5. And so I'm going to do with $5 worth of gold. Okay, we'll do this again. So in this case here, you can actually use your cash balance, or if you want, there's a way that you can, like right now I have $36.27 worth of gold, so that's 0.0156 ounces, okay? So in this case here, what we're going to do is we're going to go buy. And how much would you like to buy? So I'm going to do that. See, you can actually use, let me get off this. You can use a credit card if you do not have money in your Sound Money wallet, or if you want to, after you have it set up, if you want to have money from your bank account transferred into it before you make your purchase, you can do that also. So in this case here, I'm just going to do $5. Okay. And the buying power, so I'm using this out of $11.77. So we'll go ahead and take that. And so what it's going to do is with the $5. So I'm using this as an example to show you that if you don't have a lot of money to put into it to purchase it that day, you can do something as little as this. Like actually, if you wanted to do $1, you could probably do it. But in this case here, people who may not want to be able to, or may not be able to buy a full silver eagle or a full gold eagle. On this case here, you could actually just go with like $5, and then you can build it up, and you can incrementally do that. And then once you get the full amount for a full ounce coin or bar, you could have it shipped directly to you. So this is one way to do it incrementally and, build that wealth for yourself and your family. So I'm going to go ahead and it'll arrive immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and hit buy, and bam, success. I bought 0.0021529 ounces of gold. Okay, so yeah, like I'm saying, I'm just using this as an example of you don't have to have a lot in order to save and build wealth for yourself and your family. So in this case here, now I have a total of $41.27 worth of gold. And then if I go back to my dashboard, it has that updated there as well. So like in this case here, with like if I wanted to sell this, I'll just use this just to show you what it looks like to sell. And then I have some wine silver purchase, $82.02. So like in this case here, if I wanted to sell it, the sell price would be $29.84 per ounce. Okay, the buy price is $39.67 an ounce. And that's, basically, going off the prices and everything with the market and the spot price and everything taken into consideration. But like the case here, I have the option to ship because I do have enough enough to have 2 of these silver eagles shipped to me. I could choose ship if I wanted to. I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to leave this in here for right now, but I just wanted to show you what that looked like. Okay. So this is something, and it keeps track of your transactions. So like for tax purposes or anything like that, you always have the information at your fingertips. It'll show you when you had money coming into your wallet and when it went out and what it was diversified into. So I hope this gives you a better idea. So because I bought the $5 worth, there's a balance of $6.77. So it just goes to show you how simple it is to do it. Okay. And like I said, I'll put a link below for you to check out for if you want to find out more information about 7K metals. And there, I'll also put the income disclosure statement, even though I'm not talking about earning in this one, but they do have that feature as a part of one of the benefits of being a member. So there is a membership fee, but it's also a tax deduction. There are tax write-off too if you are using 7K as a means of growing your income through sharing it with other people. So I hope this gives you some great information on how it works. And if you have any questions, you can send me an email direct at rick@silverandgoldsolutions.org, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. So hope everybody has a great rest of your night. We'll talk to you again soon, okay? Take care.